good day to our lecturer, Ms. Atila, and my fellow classmates. Today, our group will be presenting our project for BTM533, which is the UiTM Fine Portal system. So, before we dive deeper into our project, let me introduce our group members. Starting with me, my name is Nur Aina, and my teammates are Siti Anishahira, Muhammad Al-Amin, Siti Nur Ain, and Nurul Ain Nazira. So, to begin, let's look at an overview of the Fine Portal. The Fine Portal is an online financial management system developed by UiTM to digitalize and streamline university financial operations. It is managed by the Treasury Department, or we call Jabatan Bendahari, to ensure all transactions and records are handled efficiently. The system serves a wide range of users, including students, staff, and suppliers. Its core functions include facilitating fee payments, allowing users to check financial records, and managing procurement processes. For security, the portal is fully integrated with UiTM's web single sign-on, which is Web SSO, ensuring safe and authorized access for everyone.
For our problem statement, we have identified two main issues in the Fine Portal. The first issue is ineffective error handling. Currently, the Fine Portal only displays generic error message such as your session has expired or an error has occurred. Please try again later. This message do not explain the actual cause of the problem or provide clear guidance on what users should do next. As a result, students tend to refresh the page or log in repeatedly, especially during peak period. This creates frustrations and leads to an inefficient user experience. The second issue is delay receipt generation. After making a payment, the receipt does not appear immediately. Because of this delay, users are unable to instantly confirm whether their payment was successful. These situations often cause confusion among students, and in some cases, they may accidentally make duplicate payment. Additionally, this issue increases the number of complaints received by the finance department.
Next, I will explain the scope of the new system, which covers 5 main areas. First, for the user scope, our system is designed for students, staff, and administrators. We have implemented different access levels based on their roles to ensure high security and data integrity. Moving on to the functional scope, the system manages the entire process from secure login and online submission to real-time status notification and report generation for management. Third, for the data scope, we use a centralized database. This is important to store all user credentials and transactions safely while ensuring that the data remains accurate and consistent. Fourth, regarding to the system boundaries, the system currently operates within the campus environment only. It is focused strictly on internal operational process without integration into external database. Lastly, for the platform scope, this is a web-based system. It is fully accessible via desktop and mobile device, allowing users to access the portal anytime and anywhere.
The enhanced Fine Portal system brings many benefits to UiTM. It improves efficiency, accuracy, and transparency in financial management. The system reduces manual work by automating fee payment, receipt generation, and record update. This saves time for both student and finance staff. It also improves data accuracy through real-time update in a central database, reducing errors and duplicate records. Students can easily check their fee payment history and transaction status, while staff can monitor and track financial records more efficiently. Overall, the Fine Portal supports UiTM digital transformation by providing reliable and user-friendly financial management system. The first objective is to increase operational effectiveness. Automation reduces repetitive tasks and paperwork, making processes faster and more efficient for both staff and students. Secondly, the system aims to improve ease of access and usability. A centralized digital platform allows users to access services anytime and anywhere, improving convenience and user experience. The third objective is to reduce errors and duplicate data. A centralized database ensure consistent and accurate data entry across the system. Next, the system help enhance monitoring and control by management. Real-time transaction tracking and dashboard provide better visibility and support informed decision making. Finally, the system promotes transparency and accountability. All transaction requests and approval are recorded systematically, ensure a clear audit trail. Overall, this objective support a more efficient, reliable, and transparent campus system.
Now, I will briefly explain the student fee payment process in the UiTM system. First, the process starts when the students log in using the official UiTM web SSO with the authorized credentials. Once successfully authenticated, they are redirected to the payment module where their personal financial profile and fee details are displayed. Next, on the payment dashboard, students select the student fees option. This step ensures that only academic-related charges are shown, making the payment process clearer and more focused. After that, the system displays all outstanding or unpaid fees. This allows students to review and confirm their balance before proceeding with payment. Then, students choose their preferred payment method, such as online banking or payment gateway, and complete the transaction securely. Finally, the system provides a real-time payment confirmation. Students are advised to verify the confirmation before logging out. I will now explain the treasurer's process flow in handling payment applications. The process begins when the treasurer completes the payment application form, also known as PYPA. At this stage, approval from the Relevant Responsibility Center, or PPJ, is required to ensure the request is valid and officially supported by the department. Next, the treasurer checks and authorizes all supporting documents attached to the application. If the documents meet UiTM's requirements, the application is approved. However, if any documents are incomplete or invalid, the process is halted and the applicant is informed to resubmit the required information. After that, the treasurer verifies the eligibility of the application based on UiTM's financial policies. Applications that do not meet the criteria or lack departmental support are rejected and will not proceed further. Once verified, the accepted applications are recorded, sorted, and stored in the system for reporting and audit purpose. Then, the treasurer processes the due payments. Each transaction is carefully double-checked to maintain accountability and transparency. Finally, the process is completed when all payments are successfully made and all financial records are fully updated in the system. For the flow or process of the new system, the process is still the same for treasurers, but for students, it has a little bit different or changed. In the last part of flow, where the system provides a real-time payment confirmation, students are advised to verify the confirmation before logging out. If confirmation is not received, they should return to the outstanding fees page to avoid any duplicate payments.
This use case diagram helps to understand system boundaries and user function clearly. It also assists in planning system features based on user role. In our use case diagram, we only have student and treasury department.
Now, I will be presenting a demonstration on how to use the UiTM student fee payment portal. This portal allows students to check their outstanding fees and make online payment in a fast and convenient way. I will explain each step clearly to ensure that everyone can understand the process. First, we open the student fee payment portal using the link provided. Then, we log in using our student credentials. Enter your student ID, for example, 2024123456, and the password provided by UiTM. If a student forgets their password, there is a forgot password option available, which allows the user to reset and obtain a new password. Once the login is successful, we will be directed to the portal's main page. After login, we can check the total amount of fees that need to be paid. On this page, we are able to view all outstanding semester fees. We simply select the fees that we would like to pay, and the system will be automatically calculate the total amount. This ensures accuracy and eliminates the needs for manual calculation. Next, we select the preferred payment method. The portal provides several options, including credit or debit card, FPS or online banking, and then e-wallets such as TNG e-wallet, GrabPay, Boost, or Shopee Pay. For example, we will choose to pay using FPS online banking. We select FPS and then choose our bank from the list such as My Bank, CIMB, or Bank Islam. The system will redirect us to the bank's secure payment page where we log in using our username and password. We then verify the payment details, select the account to make the payment from, and enter the TSC number received via SMS. Finally, we click Confirm Payment to complete the transaction. After selecting the payment methods, we proceed to the next step. The system will redirect us to the bank or e-wallet platform to complete the transaction. Here, we enter the required information, confirm the transaction, and wait for the verification. Once the payment is successful, the portal will display a payment receipt, which can be printed or saved as proof of payment. If an error occurs, such as entering incorrect information or if the transaction is unsuccessful, the system will display a transaction failed message and return the user to the field details. From there, the student can review the information and attempt the payment again. Now, I will be presenting a demonstration on how to use the UiTM student fee payment portal. This portal allows students to check their outstanding fees and make online payment in a fast and convenient way. I will explain each step clearly to ensure that everyone can understand the process. First, we open the student fee payment portal using the link provided. Then, we log in using our student credentials. Enter your student ID, for example, 2024123456, and the password provided by UiTM. If a student forgets their password, there is a forgot password option available, which allows the user to reset and obtain a new password. Once the login is successful, we will be directed to the portal's main page. After login,
to conclude our presentation, let's look at the key takeaways. First, digital transformation. This system successfully shifts manual financial operations to a more streamlined digital platform. Second, system reliability. It resolves previous issues such as delay receipt and payment discrepancies. Third, real-time integration. The system ensures high data accuracy through improved synchronization. And fourth, users' experience, which is it provides a more transparent and user-friendly interface for all students. Finally, operational efficiency. This enhancement significantly improves data integrity and efficiency for the Treasury Department. So, with this improvement, we believe the Fund Portal will provide a better financial service for the UiTM community. So, that's all from us. Thank you.